Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you'll find the battery. It should be on the third position in this section under the apps. And here we've got the battery percentage and we've got three different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got the option do not show, obviously because here we've got only the battery icon, but we can set next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So of course after picking next to the battery icon, your device will display the percentage right next to the battery, or we can pick inside battery icon, and of course it will be displayed in the battery indicator. So it's up to you which option you like the most. I think I will stick with this one. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.